Okay, am I in the field? I think we're on. Am I talking?
Yes.
Great. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Great. Okay, welcome back to the introductory segment on Arduino 101, on our Arduino UNO rather. And I've prepared notes because it's hard for me to go completely impromptu with these sort of things. But with that segment we unboxed the UNO and we have a board that looks like the image on the screen. And I'd like to talk a little bit about what is a microprocessor and microprocessor theory a little bit before we get started. We don't have a lot of time in this course, so we're going to be wiring circuits as soon as possible. It's a lot to get through all the C programming and wiring without having at least some introduction. So if you look at the board here, this is the integrated circuit right here. It's the main integrated circuit on the board. Whoops. There we go. And it's the Atmel 328P processor. It's a microcontroller. Now what is a microprocessor? I didn't know the exact definition myself, so I looked in Merriam-Webster's dictionary online, and it said that a microprocessor is a computer processor that's contained all on one integrated circuit. And that's the integrated circuit right here. Other than that, we have various connectors. These are for the shields and for the experiments we'll be doing. And the USB cable to the computer, that's here. And the power supply. How does that look?
Good.
So, I wanted to talk a little bit about microprocessors. Can you see the green book in the screen, Ida?
No.
Now can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I've started to write a book about the Internet of Things. And I have a section here called Processors. So I'm going to skip to my notes. And I'd like to go a little further about microprocessors to talk about what the AVR microprocessors that are sold by Atmel are. Now these are RISC Harvard architecture processors. That means reduced instruction set architecture. Why don't you turn off the screen for a minute while we put on the next slide, please.